Hello friends, welcome to SQL Server tutorial. In this video, we will see the usage of between operator. Between operator is useful to filter range of value. So range of value in the sense, say for example, you can filter 3 to 5. So we can call this as a range, right? Range of value using between operator, we can specify that, and this between operator will be used in the where condition. Let's see an example. In the last video, we talked about a comparison operator. Now we will proceed with the between operator. So as usual, we select all the employees. Then these statements are same from our previous video. Here if you see in the where condition, we specify employee ID between, so this is the operator we are using, between 3 and 7. So here we are specifying the range. So if employee ID falls between 3 and 7, pick all those record and display that. So that's the meaning here. Then here we are using the between operator for the DOB column. So this is the date based column, and we specify date of birth between 1990 and 2000. So 1st January and first date to 12th month, I mean the last date in the year 2000. So that's the range here we are specifying using the between and operator. So it will be used in conjunction between and you will specify the range. Between value range is specified using the and. So here we are picking the employee who falls between a specific age, or we can say instead of specific age, we can say whose date of birth falls in between a specific date range. Now let's go to the demo and see the example. So here you can see all the records. So this time we are using the between operator. The column what we are using is employee ID between 3 and 7. So 3 and 7 means these are all the records. Now let us test this. And here you can see 3, 4, 5, 6, and if I specify 6 here, so actually 6 also get included, right? 3 and 5. So this is how you can specify the range. And now let's do this for a date. So here we are using the between operator for the date range. Let's look at date of birth. Here you can see the date of birth, and we are specifying date of birth between specific date here, starting of the year 1990 to end of year 2000. So if you see, there are alright, now let us execute this, and here you can see the employees whose date of birth falls in between the two range is displayed. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.